This video will show you how to rewrite rational exponents. To rewrite a rational exponent, we use the following rule, where the denominator becomes the index and the numerator becomes the power. For the first few examples, we're going to rewrite the radical first. It might be easiest to set up your radical before you begin. Remember that the denominator becomes the index, and the numerator becomes the exponent. After it's rewritten, we can start to simplify. So the square root of 16 is 4. 4 to the third power is 64. We do the same process in our second example, so it's easiest to just set up your square root first. The denominator becomes the index. The numerator becomes the exponent. Then we can simplify. The cube root of -8 is -2. -2 squared is 4. Now pause this video and you try to complete the following example. Remember that first you would set up your square root. The denominator is the index. The numerator is the power. Then you can simplify. The cube root of 27 is 3. 3 squared is 9.